How to log in Snapchat. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to learn how you can log into Snapchat. First of all, you have to do is install Snapchat app. After the app is installed, just open it. As you can see, there are two options, one with blue, one with pink. You have to choose the pink option that says login. After you press it, it asks you for username, email or phone, whichever you prefer. After you have it, and enter your password. After your password is done, all you have to do is select if you want to save login info for your iCloud devices, or even if you've forgotten your password, just go ahead and select the option. After you have done with filling all your infos, just go ahead and press in login. After that, there you go, you're logged in. And that is how you can log in Snapchat. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.